You can save a few dollars by changing your own air filter on your Honda Fit. It's extremely inexpensive and requires no tools. Once you open the hood, you'll see the air filter is located just to the left of your battery. And there are 4 clips that easily open. And once you remove those clips, the top of the air filter comes right off. You have to pull it towards yourself a little bit because the air intake. And then remove the air filter. It just pops right out. Grab your clean air filter and pop it right back in. And make sure that the air intake slides right back in. And snap all 4 latches back. Have a great day and drive safely.